Did you see Psycho Mantis stream yesterday with Sniper Wolf? It was so dumb.
Yeah, seriously. And just call her Sam. She's not even a real gamer. There she is.
We watched you play Among Us last night.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I can't believe no one guessed you were the imposter. I told you it was gonna be Psycho Mantis.
Her name's Sam. And what kind of dumb name is Psycho Mantis anyway?
It's from Metal Gear Solid. I think it's really cool. Oh my gosh, is that the new Dhar Mann Studio hoodie? You probably make so much money you can buy whatever you want. That's so cool.
Thanks.
It's not even that special. Anyone can buy that dumb merch. Besides, she's not even a real gamer. People only watch her videos to see Sniper Wolf.
It's okay, don't listen to them. I think you're the best gamer out there.
Hey Sam! Are you gonna be streaming with Sniper Wolf again tonight?
Oh, yeah, I am. Yes, we can't wait to watch it.
Sam! OMG. Your mom drives a Tesla?
I bet you could buy one too, couldn't you?
If it isn't Sam, the wannabe streamer. You know, just because you have some followers and money doesn't make you better than anyone.
What? Of course not. I would never think that.
Yeah, right. Show off. You're not even a real gamer. You're just some girl that got lucky. That's all.
See you guys later.
Oh, hey, honey! I'm over here!
Mom, what are you doing? I said pick me up in the back of the school. I don't want people seeing our crappy car.
I'm sorry, honey. She was stalling again. But she's all good now. Let's get going.
Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing Fortnite with Sniper Wolf.
Hello friends, it's me, and we're about to get this game started.
Okay, I'm landing at that house.
Cool, landing at the house next to you. Whoa, there are a lot of comments coming in. You should read some of them.
Okay, let's see. Benji98 says, love watching your streams. Aw, thanks. Okay, Game Rat Joe 12 says, hey wannabe gamer girl, you really suck.
Hey guys, we're gonna take a quick break. Hey, are you alright?
I'm sorry, I'm just not feeling it today.
Tell me what's wrong.
There's this kid at school and he's always been making fun of me, and I'm pretty sure he's the one making those mean comments. Maybe he's right, maybe I shouldn't be a gamer.
Don't worry about him. He's probably just taking out his own problems on you.
It really hurts, you know? What am I talking about? You wouldn't understand, everyone loves you.
Sam, you think I don't deal with people hating on me all the time?
You do?
Of course. It comes with the territory. But what I've learned is that when somebody hates on you, it's usually because they're unhappy with their own lives, and that has nothing to do with you. So don't take it personal.
Yeah. You're probably right.
I'll come see you tomorrow at school to talk about it.
Okay.
Good game yesterday. I can't believe you got 5 kills.
Thanks.
Oh, what happened, Psycho Mantis? Heard you had to cut your stream early last night.
I know that was you in the chat. Just please, leave me alone.
I didn't mean to make you cry. Everyone's talking about it. That's so embarrassing.
Hey! Are you okay?
Yeah. That's the kid I was telling you about. He's the one making those mean comments yesterday.
Okay, let's go talk to him.
What? No way. He hates me.
Can you trust me? Please?
Okay. If you say so.
She won't start. I've tried everything.
Why can't you just get this fixed by a real mechanic?
I think he went this way.
With what money, Jordan? It's gonna cost at least $1,000, and right now, can't even pay our rent. End of today, we're out on the street.
It's just so unfair. Why does this have to happen to me?
Jordan, stop! Don't go, Jordan.
I can't believe he's going through all that. What now?
I have an idea. Come on.
We don't have enough money. There's no way he's gonna accept that.
What's gonna happen? Mom, we have nowhere else to go.
I don't know, Jordan. I don't know. He's here.
Hey, Maria.
Hi, Mr. Cornwell. I need a few more days to come up with the rest of the money. Take this, please. It's all we have, and, we have nowhere else to go.
It's actually not why I'm here. I'm writing a receipt for your $1,800 payment. Here you go. Your rent's paid in full.
But I don't understand. How did this happen?
You might want to ask them.
Wait, what are you two doing here?
We found out what was happening, and we wanted to help. Sam and I split it.
What? You did?
Oh my god. Thank you so much, both of you. I can't believe it.
We also have another surprise for you.
Here's $1,000 so you can get your car fixed.
Oh my god. Thank you so much, both of you. I've been praying for a miracle, and this is gonna change our...
Thank you so much. We'll never forget this.
Dude, did you see Sam's stream yesterday? It was so stupid. She doesn't even deserve to be called a real gamer.
Yeah, I watched it, and actually, it was really good.
What? Are we talking about the same Sam?
If you're referring to Psycho Mantis, then yeah, she's one of the best gamers out there. All right, let's go.